My name's Samuel Mooney from London. I probably noticed my hair loss starting when I was about 20, so about 10 years ago. It started gradually going back, and then from there I started noticing it kind of started crowded around the front. Yeah, it has a big impact on your confidence and stuff like that, but just missed my hair really. I wouldn't say it affected my social life. It was obviously a big factor into feeling good about himself. I actually had a friend that come to the clinic, and I'd seen the clinic online anyway, and was looking to book up, and then I'd seen one of my friends had actually come, and I saw how good their results were. So my hair design process, it was really good actually. It was quick, professional. It was first time, so they put it on. We looked at it. I think there's probably 10 minutes of looking around and actually tweaking, not the initial like drawing it on, but like after that there's probably about 10 minutes of just making sure everything was all right and make sure I was happy with it, which I was. If you can, don't hesitate, do it, because your self-confidence, Hair of Istanbul. Yeah, thank you very much, guys. So yeah, it's been a pleasure.